Video, I will explain how the out-of-pocket maximum works in a health insurance policy. Understanding how medical insurance deductibles and out-of-pocket costs work is important and will allow you to save money when you are shopping for a health insurance plan. So let's break it down in simple terms. When you look at the summary of benefits for any medical insurance plan, you will be able to see an out-of-pocket maximum. People often confuse this with the deductible, but it's a bit different, and I will explain. Think of the out-of-pocket maximum as a safety net for your healthcare costs. It's the maximum amount you will have to pay for covered medical services in a single year. Once you reach this limit, your insurance plan takes over, covering all the costs for covered medical expenses for the rest of the year. Having an out-of-pocket maximum is beneficial because it sets a cap on the amount of money you will need to pay from your pocket. Your out-of-pocket costs basically include pretty much everything you pay out of pocket within the limits of the policy. It includes your deductible, copays, and coinsurance. Your deductible is the amount you pay before your insurance starts sharing costs for the most part, while the out-of-pocket limit is the maximum amount you will pay for covered medical care throughout the year. Your deductible is part of your out-of-pocket costs and counts towards meeting your annual limit. I will give you an example how this works shortly, but now briefly let's see what is a deductible, copay, and coinsurance. Deductible, as I said, is the initial amount you must pay for covered medical services before your insurance starts sharing the costs of for most plans. Anything you pay towards your deductible also goes towards your out-of-pocket maximum. For some silver plans, the deductible only applies for hospital services and surgeries. All other medical procedures are at a fixed cost. Lots of people overpay and get a gold plan instead because they are afraid the deductible in silver plan applies to everything. Read the details or reach out if you want to make sure you are getting the right plan, as some silver plans indeed are similar to bronze plans where most of the procedures go towards the deductible. Especially if you see a coinsurance percentage, it probably indicates that you need to pay a deductible first, and this could be a substantial amount. Coinsurance. Well, what is coinsurance? After you meet your deductible, your plan may require you to pay a percentage of the medical bill while your insurance covers the remaining amount. For example, if your coinsurance is 20%, you pay 20% of the bill and the plan pays 80%. These payments also count towards your out-of-pocket maximum. Copayment, unlike in coinsurance, which is a percentage, copayments are fixed dollar amounts you pay for certain medical services at the time of the visit. Copayments also go towards your out-of-pocket maximum. So, as I promised earlier, let's look at an example. Let's say that someone has a bronze plan with an out-of-pocket maximum of $8,200 and a deductible of $6,300. Let's say that this person has a surgery and their medical bill is $50,000. This is what this person will pay out of pocket for the surgery. First, they will pay their deductible plus 40% coinsurance of the total bill, but their maximum payment for the surgery, and in fact for the rest of the year, will not exceed the maximum out-of-pocket costs. That's it. It's so simple. Now let's see what costs don't count towards the out-of-pocket maximum. Not all expenses go towards this limit, so some of the costs that will not count include premiums, which is a monthly amount you pay for your health insurance plan. And again, this doesn't count towards your out-of-pocket max. Non-covered services. If a medical service isn't covered by insurance, any expenses related to it won't contribute to your out-of-pocket maximum. Now, once again, I've said this already, but I'll repeat again because it's important. Once you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, you do not pay anything else for covered medical services for the rest of the year. Your insurance will cover 100% of covered medical expenses until the end of the year or the end of the policy. Finding a plan with the low out-of-pocket maximum might be ideal, but it depends on your healthcare needs and budget. Plans with low deductibles and out-of-pocket costs often have higher premiums. If you expect high medical expenses early in the year, such as a plan with the lower out-of-pocket max could be beneficial. However, if you don't have or don't anticipate reaching your out-of-pocket maximum, a plan with a lower premium might be more affordable. So basically, understanding how deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums work is important for making informed decisions about your health insurance. I highly advise that you always review your plan details and consider your healthcare needs before choosing a plan that suits you best. If you need assistance, consulting with an insurance agent can be helpful and in finding the right plan for your situation. If you don't have a favorite licensed and independent insurance agent yet, please feel free to reach out to me. I will be glad to be of assistance. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for your attention and stay healthy.